Hi, this is Courtney Winter, and my informative speech today is going to be um, about the 2010 Vancouver Olympics. Less than a year is left to enjoy the 2010 Vancouver Olympics Games. Sustainability has become a credo of the Olympic movement since the 1990s. The forthcoming event is no exception. The Green Games concept is what I would like to clear up. Welcoming the idea of the Olympic competition built high environmental standards. This concept impels the existence of a green sports fan, capable of enjoying the drama of competition without damaging nature. Vancouver is a very beautiful city. The 2010 Vancouver Olympic Games would gather together lots of fans from all over the world who, with their enthusiasm, are not so friendly to the environment, unfortunately. Yet, when the event is over, the place should look as it was before this invasion of sports fans. How do we care for the host place, and how is the nature of view about all preparations? Hopes and potential problems. First, I'll dwell upon the green policies promoted by the International Olympic Committee. Second, I'll inform you how sustainable interventions. I have a picture of Bodie Miller. He's an amazing skier. I only have black and white print, but he won gold at the Vancouver 2010 Olympics. Vancouver is prepping for the Games, building new stadiums, hotels, improving the infrastructure system, and arranging cultural programs. Technology will be felt everywhere for pleasure of both athletes and sports fans. Each sport event wants to be serviced in the best possible way. Canadians love winter sports. I'm sure Vancouver will be full of pleasant surprises. Athletes are important role models who inspire youth involvement in sports and encourage action. The idea of Green Games gives a new turn to the Olympic movement. It promotes global consciousness of sustainable development, which becomes one of the leading policies of Olympic Games. It unites all people, irrespective of nationality, ethnicity, race, and social status. It brings about a strong positive feeling of pride for country and for the whole world, as well as gives us hope that peace will demonstrate globally. Olympic Games is always a holiday, a celebration of being one humankind, young and comparative. I hope Vancouver will make known the new names of bright sportsmen, known and adored around the world. Olympic Games can make wonders, presenting different countries to sports fans worldwide. And this was done by David Wilczynski. David Wilczynski and Jamie Lockney, October 9th, 2009. The Complete Book of the Winter Games, 8th edition. D&M Publishers Incorporated, ISBN 978-1-55365, 502-2. Retrieved January 28th, 2012, and created June 16th, 2019. Thank you.